Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to take you guys to my new apartment, and today I'm going to do an apartment tour for you guys. I know a lot of you guys have been looking for me on my channel, and for long now you guys have not seen me. I'm sorry, a lot of things have been going on in my life throughout this time. I just graduated, and now I have to move out from the school dormitory to face the world. That is it. So I got a new apartment, and today I decided to take you guys round the apartment and show you guys what my apartment looks like. Okay, so today this video is all about an empty apartment tour. Before I close this door, I need to show you guys what this door looks like. This is a fingerprint. You can see, if you want to open this door, you can use either your finger or password or key. It has a key. So three things. If your fingerprint did not work, you can use the password here. You can say the password. If the password did not work, then you can use the key. So this is how this house is built. Okay, so let's move over to the other place. As you can see, behind me is the kitchen. Here is the kitchen, and here is the toilet. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a very good view of this apartment. This apartment is so beautiful. I like it. This is the cupboard, okay, of the kitchen. This is where you can pack everything. Where you can cook, and what they have is this, and another thing is a washing machine. You can put your clothes here. It's so nice. Okay, so I'm going to clean this place. And this kitchen, I like it. It has space enough for me to put whatever I want to put here. Okay. Another thing is the fridge. I like the fridge, it's so nice. I think this is for ice cubes. I don't know what this is for. Okay. The size is nice. I have to clean up the fridge. And also here. So I like this so much. This is really nice. The kitchen is really nice. I like it. It has enough space. They don't have gas. They use this plates, the electric. They use this electric cooker. This is the toilet. Okay. I like the toilet. It's very, very nice. It's so cool. Okay. So, and this is the bathroom. So this is the chair I have here. I'm going to change the cover of this chair. I'm going to get some cloth for chair and change this. And this is the table. It's written Gloomy Beer. And here they have television. This television, I'm still going to get a Wi-Fi for it. I don't know what is put here. You can see this light here, and there is the upstairs, guys. This house has an upstairs. Okay, Just take a look at the view of this house. Oh my god. This apartment has a staircase. Top of it is the bedroom. Okay, so it has first floor and downstairs. Right now we're going to go upstairs and I will show you guys what the upstairs look like. Behind me is the kitchen. I've already shown you guys the kitchen and everything. So right now we are going to go upstairs and I will show you what the bedroom looks like. From here you can see the downstairs and you can see this beautiful board. Okay, let me on the light here so that you can see everything clearly. Okay, here it has, this apartment has 2 air conditioner. This air conditioner here and 1 air conditioner in this room. Also I would like to get, you know, kind of fan to make it 3 because this city is so hot. Okay, this city is so hot, even though here we have 2 air conditioner, AC, but I would like to add it, one more thing, fan.
Playing on the track.
This thing here is what they put on this bed. This is what they put on the bed. Let me try it on. Let me put it so that you guys will see. Okay. Wait. Okay, I think it's better. It's better this way. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy my apartment tour. And what do you think on the comment section? Okay, so that's the end of this video and I hope you enjoy this empty apartment tour. Okay, so let me know what you think about this apartment in the comment section. Do you like it? Is it some kind of apartment that you would like to pay for? So let me know what you think in the comment section, and I know you guys have missed me a lot, but don't worry. From time to time, I'll find a suitable time for me to be uploading videos on my channel. I really don't want to make my channel all about hair. I want to also give you guys different things that you might like to watch. Okay, thank you so much for staying. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be giving you guys more of these apartment videos. Okay, so stay tuned and watch my video. And if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed, if this is your first time of coming to my channel, thank you so much. This is Sweetest Beauty. Okay, in my channel I do hair vlogs and other interesting videos on my channel. Please subscribe, hit the red button to subscribe to join the family. And thank you so much for watching, and I would love to see you on my next video. Bye bye.